Traditionally, many people tended to build their own computers rather than buying Prebuilt gaming PC. But parts scarcities over the last year made purchasing the latest components more difficult. As a result, Prebuilt Gaming PC became an increasingly popular option for those looking to skip the queues and get right into PC gaming. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 best pre-built gaming PC for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Corsair One A200, the best premium small form factor gaming PC. The Corsair One A200 takes up minimal space on your desk thanks to its tall, tower shape that crams in components. Featuring an Intel Core 11 generation processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, award-winning DDR4 memory from Corsair. That alone is more than enough to handle 4K gaming with all settings on their highest and with ray tracing enabled, but the rest of the Corsair One package really makes this gaming PC something special. They're also the patented liquid cooling system produces higher clock speeds, lower temperature, and minimal noise. It also has a compact size and massive performance with a height 380mm, depth 200mm, width 173mm. The design is impressive with 2mm bead-blasted aluminum high-quality performance. With its vertical design, giving it a unique look that really stands out among its more boxy contemporaries. Number 4. Acer Predator Orion 3000, a solid all-rounder with a solid price tag. At around $1,200, the Predator Orion 3000 might be one of the best value gaming PC on the market right now. With a compact 18-liter case and customizable RGB lighting, the Orion 3000 certainly looks pretty slick. See what's inside: tempered glass panel. Powered to push the limits with the 11th generation Core i7 processor. The advent of the RTX 3070 series of GPU means that kind of money gets you performance for value that wouldn't have been possible even just a few years ago. Load faster, play sooner up to 64GB 3200 MHz, 2TB SSD memory. And also their cooling is perfected with a Predator Frostblade fan. It's hard to deny that this is a quality gaming desktop for the asking price. Number 3. MSI Aegis Tie 5, the best mainstream gaming PC. Get ready for the newest Aegis. This is the most daring, striking, and powerful gaming desktop. The new Aegis models are powered by the latest Intel Core processor combined with the latest RTX graphics. This is your unparalleled processing power with the highest gaming performance and lifelike visuals utilizing ray tracing. Even with 4K, crank up your FPS and game quality and experience, a smooth victory for maximized cooling. The Aegis also comes with a first-of-its-kind gaming knob with a display. You'll benefit from real-time system monitoring, starting up your favorite games with the best pre-configured gaming profiles, or even switching between system performance modes. This is the mainstream gaming PC that you should buy. Number 2. Alienware Aurora R12, best high-end gaming PC. If you want a powerful pre-built gaming PC, but want to steer clear of Intel and NVIDIA components, then the Alienware R12 is the way to go. Boasts performance even the pros agree on. Overclockable 11th generation Intel Core processor. Now with PCI Express Generation 4 graphics, up to 128GB of high-speed DDR4 memory, 1000-watt 80-plus gold-rated power supply option, PSU swing arm enables toolless upgradability. On the front of the body, there has a new Alien FX RGB lighting. There's an obvious priority here on providing a convenient, premium product with some potential for upgrades, and the Aurora Alienware R12 accomplishes that goal. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix GA 15A, the best gaming PC overall. This is a tremendous machine and one that harnesses a great power to performance to price balance. It's a great new design from Asus and is a welcome addition to the pre-built gaming PC market. Power up for gaming and more with AMD Ryzen R7 3800X CPU and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super. Stealth stylish, comprehensive cooling elevates performance. Widened air vents, direct airflow from every side. Multi-zone chassis, minimize thermal interference. Ready to carry, durable built-in carrying handle. There's a retractable hook towards the top where you can hang headphones. Personalized to perfection with Aura sync and scenario profiles. Overall, the PC looks quite good and it doesn't go overboard with the gamerish theme, but still offers some RGB goodness, a see-through panel, and keeps the standard tower design.